Hello guys and welcome to the channel. In this video I'm showing you how to recover your files after Windows 11 format. So before you start guys, stop using the formatted drive immediately. Do not download anything like programs, browse the web or save anything onto that drive, because any new data written to it will permanently overwrite your old deleted files. So always install software and restore recovered files to a separate USB or secondary drive. Now guys, in order to begin, open up your Microsoft Store and then search for an app called Windows File Recovery. There you go, this one. Okay, and then just get this app. Then guys, you can just type in the following command into the window. Let me just show you. So the first command is this one. And then guys, of course, make sure to replace the C with your formatted drive letter. And replace E recovered files with your secondary drive / USB where you want the recovered files to be saved. When prompted with continue with question mark, you just need to press yes. So just press Y, single Y. And the tool will scan the drive sector by sector and automatically save everything it finds into a folder on your secondary drive. This is what it will look like. Very simple interface. So that is it. This is how you do it, guys. Don't forget to grab this app. If this helps, subscribe.